Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is angry, an adjective that means feeling or showing strong annoyance or displeasure. This is a common word in English and a useful one to know when expressing emotions. When someone is angry, they're experiencing a strong feeling of irritation or frustration. For example, you might feel angry if someone cuts in front of you in line, or if your plans get canceled at the last minute. It's a natural emotion that we all experience from time to time. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for angry. A few common ones are mad, irritated, upset, and furious. For example, you could say, I was mad when my friend forgot about our meeting, or she felt irritated after waiting so long in traffic. If the feeling is stronger, you might say, he was furious when he discovered the mistake. On the other hand, antonyms of angry include words like calm, happy, content, and peaceful. For instance, you could say, she remained calm even when the situation got difficult, or I felt happy when everything worked out as planned. These words show the opposite emotional state, where there is no frustration or annoyance. In everyday life, the word angry can come up in various situations. You might hear someone say, I'm so angry about how unfair this is, or don't get angry, let's talk it through. It's also common in expressions like, why are you so angry? Or try not to make them angry. Here are a few more examples of how to use angry in a sentence. He was angry when he found out someone had taken his parking spot. The teacher looked angry, but she quickly calmed down. They were angry because their flight was delayed again. To wrap things up, today we learned that angry is an adjective used to describe strong feelings of annoyance or displeasure. We explored synonyms like mad and furious, as well as antonyms like calm and happy, and we looked at how angry fits into everyday situations. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I also encourage you to create your own sentence using angry and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the amazing world of English. Goodbye.